this video, I want to just like open up and show you my traveler's notebook, which is the first traveler's notebook I've ever had. I wanted the one from Narita Airport, but I wasn't able to get that one. My flight was really early, and so the shop wasn't open. It was opened right before my flight, but I don't like to risk getting to my gate late. So you should know that the Narita shop for the traveler's notebook is before you pass security. I didn't know this till I looked it up while I was in Tokyo. So you should get to the airport significantly earlier than your flight if you want to visit it, if you're going to visit it as you're leaving. So that's one sort of tip. So I'm hoping I'll be able to pick it up, or a friend of mine will be able to pick it up for me. But I did get this one from Tokyo Hands E, which was near Harajuku. And I'm actually super excited because like they're so beautiful. My desk is getting full of all these things. So much stuff on my desk right now. Oh, and there's oh wow, we got this like cover. I was not expecting that. That's nice, and it feels so gorgeous. And you can tell it's going to get a lot of scratches, look, because it's already... I don't think I mind that. It feels really nice though. I wish I could just sort of like let you feel it because it's very luscious. And it comes with a blank insert, which is very, very nice. It's funny, I've seen these in videos so often, but to have one in real life is quite a bit different. Like I've seen this stamp and everybody always decorates around the stamp and they write things in, and it's just... Does anybody else feel like that when you see something and you're just like, oh, that looks so cool, and then you get it in real life and you're like, oh, it's even cooler. And it seems so familiar. Okay, so check this out. I think for now I want to keep it very, very simple. I know I want to put one of these blanks and the free diary weekly. So oh, this is quite nice. I really like this. Like right now I use the Hobonichi exclusively, and I'm still going to use the Hobonichi. It's not as if I'm going to stop using that. I just want to use it for different things. Like each one has its own purpose. This is what I've got so far, so writing. And then I think I'm going to put the zipper case around both. Yeah, let's do that. Oh cool, it's a zippered case on one side and just like these pockets on the other side. I'm really liking how this is coming together. So what I'm thinking is, I mean, this I'm planning to have mostly as a travel slash the on me journal, but using this as a weekly planner, using this as notes and sort of a on-the-go diary, on-the-go journaling, but I want to keep it pretty. I don't know, I'll see, I'm gonna try, and then still keep the journal I use now for my journaling, but have that be just special events, because I want to keep that as one per year, and I've been running out of pages. So I think if I use this one as a daily in correspondence with my weekly planner, that might be really good, like have them together. And then the pocket for pockets. I don't know if I want to put in these yet, and I think this is the one it came with, which there's already one in. I'm not going to put this in until I know I need more. And again, with the monthly, I think I'm going to leave everything else out right now and set it up as I need to, instead of putting everything in at once. I think I'm just going to keep this video like that, and make it just showing off a new traveler's notebook. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you subscribe. I hope you like, and hope you join me again. Bye.